Here's my full review of Sked Social in 2025, covering what it does, who it's for, and whether it's worth your investment. Sked Social is an all-in-one social media management platform that supports Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Pinterest, and more. It's designed for businesses, agencies, and teams that want to schedule, collaborate, and analyze their content in one place. One of the standout features is its full auto-publishing. Unlike many tools that still rely on reminders for stories or TikToks, Sked Social handles them automatically, even with advanced options like link stickers and product tags. The visual planner is another strong point, letting you drag and drop posts on a grid so you can see exactly how your feed will look. Collaboration is seamless, with unlimited users included in every plan, approval workflows, and shared calendars, something agencies will really appreciate. The analytics are also powerful, giving insights into engagement, hashtags, and content. Performance, so you can optimize your strategy. Of course, no tool is perfect. Sked Social is a bit more expensive than entry-level schedulers, and it can take some time to learn all the advanced features. But once you get the hang of it, the time savings and workflow improvements make it worth every penny. Overall, Sked Social is one of the best social media management tools in 2025, especially if you're serious about growing or managing multiple accounts. If you'd like to try it yourself, I've got a special discount link in the description. Use that link to get started today and see how Sked Social can transform the way you manage social media.